of Prerequisite Beauty. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button to get important notifications, the updates when I upload videos, which I generally do usually several times per week. Don't want you to miss out on any important topics I will discuss. Prerequisite Beauty is a platform that focuses on beauty, both interior and exterior, because we understand that our interior is a direct reflection of our exterior, and we want them both to be flawless. Beauty from the inside to the out is important. I wanted to speak about positive affirmations and the importance of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are important to me because it helps me with self-improvement. It helps me to retrain and rewire my brain, to make sure that it's positive and optimistic. So much goes on throughout the day, throughout the week, throughout the year, and throughout our lives where we inhabit negative information about ourselves. So through positive affirmation, we override the negative information. I say positive affirmations every day throughout the day. Whenever I'm feeling, a certain kind of way, maybe something didn't work out for me, or I felt like I made a mistake, or just a conversation didn't go the way I wanted to go, I just simply say a positive affirmation. I am beautiful. I am loved. I am thorough. I am an effective communicator. I am an awesome public speaker. And I say that one because, listen, I never thought that I could go in front of a platform and speak. And here I am with my YouTube channel. I got a few videos, and I'm not perfect, but I'm getting better, and I'm definitely effective at doing it. So through me speaking to myself and being positive and having positive words, I am able to improve my life. So I have a few positive affirmations that I wrote down. So I'll be reading these positive affirmations because they're so powerful. And I'm trying to list it on my website as well. Maybe I can make a little link and put them on my website. And I'll include the link for my website below so you could go and look at some positive affirmations, because positive affirmations definitely transform your life, and it's life-changing, life-altering. And, you just have to stick with it. And I just tell you, just stick with it, because day after day, you just see changes. Things are automatic, or things are instantaneous. I know we want things quick, but, with patience and, just loving yourself and speaking highly of yourself and being positive towards yourself, your life will definitely change. I know mine has, for the better, and I'm definitely thankful in the direction my life is going. Even throughout my mistakes or things that have happened, I'm still able to overcome. And that's because I speak highly of myself. Not necessarily conceited or arrogant, but I am confident in myself. So let me go through some positive affirmations that I have written down. So I'm just going to read them off. Every day, in every way, I'm getting better and better. Today is the beginning of a new life. I am starting over today. All good things are coming to me. I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful to be me. I see beauty all around me. I live with passion and purpose. I take time to laugh and play every day. I am awake, energized, and alive. I focus on all the good things in my life and give thanks for every one of them. I am at peace and one with my life. I feel the love, joy, and abundance in my life. I am free to be myself. I am magnificent in human form. I am the perfection of life. Happiness is contagious. I spread happiness to others and absorb happiness from others. Happiness is a journey. I am having fun being happy. The more happy I am, the more reason I have to be grateful. Being grateful is important. You have to be grateful and appreciative for what you have to attract more. I'm a money magnet. Everything I touch turns to gold. I have more riches than King Solomon's mines. Money falls like an avalanche over me. There's more money being printed for my sake right now. I'm receiving money-making ideas every day. I am receiving unexpected checks in the mail. When an unexpected check come. I have more than enough money for everything I want. I have my dream home. I have the best of everything. I am grateful and I celebrate every day. I make money quickly, easily, and while having fun. I'm a generous giver and an awesome receiver. My wallet bulges with money. I love money. Money is good. Money is freedom. I allow myself to be wealthy. I deserve a lot of money. I find money by surprise. Money finds me by surprise. I make money even in my sleep. People love to give me money. I'm surrounded by people who love giving me money. I am worthy of receiving money. My service is valuable. I'm surrounded by abundant people who love to give me ridiculously amounts of money. It is safe for me to have money. The value I contribute returns to me tenfold. The more I give, the more I receive. I am successful in everything I do. I am a success magnet and I attract success in whatever I do. Being successful is my natural state of being. I think only of success. I am solution oriented. All solutions come to me easily and effortlessly. I achieve my goals one after another. I utilize all ethical channels to become successful. I leave no stone unturned to find success. I always spot opportunities and utilize them. New doors are always opening up for me. I am in charge of my life. I always take the right decisions that lead to my highest good. The power is within me. I learn from the past, live in the now, and plan for the future. I am in charge of my emotions, desires, and abilities. I focus only on success. I move from success to success. Success for me is an ongoing process. That's powerful. Everything I do is successful. Small successes build up into large successes for me. I deserve to be successful. It is safe for me to be successful. I know how to create success. I am allowed to create success. I'm willing to be successful right now. I love and accept myself unconditionally. I approve of myself and feel great about myself. I give and receive love and respect in plenty. I am free to make my own decisions and choices. I'm completely in charge of my life. I have the power to live my life fully. I give and receive compliments easily and effortlessly. I am appreciated by myself and others around me. I accept others as they are. Everybody accepts me as I am. I am beyond the opinions that others have of me. I am the best that I can be. I release all misery and suffering. I release all fears and doubts about myself and others. I release the need to prove myself to anyone. I love myself as I am. I am supported in every activity that I undertake. The more I am grateful for my life, the more I see the beauty of my life. I am proud of myself. I now see how unique I am. I love myself for being so awesome. My life has plenty of greatness. I now perceive my greatness in all its entirety. I take my power back from everyone around me. I am powerful. I am complete. So those are just some affirmations. You don't have to say those every day. What I do is I record it. So I'll record myself saying affirmations. And when I'm playing, when I'm sleeping, when I'm in the shower, I'll play affirmations. So, and then throughout the day, whenever I'm feeling, not so happy, I'll speak affirmations to myself. So I'm just always surrounded with positive words, positivity. It's very important for me to be surrounded with positivity because that's the way I thrive. And you too will thrive and be successful if you repeat positive affirmations. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button again. Thank you for tuning in. Be blessed, be happy, and be safe.